got the multicolored diamonds, yeah, they shine just like a rainbow. If you're this shining, bro, you get what you paid for. Rock so heavy, if you hold them, then it's painful. Look, no, never, I ain't looking at.
What's up, guys? This is my full day of eating as a personal trainer to stay lean and shredded all year round. You know, the coffee's brewing right now, and I'm gonna make my breakfast, and then we'll get this show on the road. Yeah. All right, the first thing I have to eat every day is 3 eggs in a bowl of oatmeal with a banana, raisin, cinnamon, and honey. That's so delicious, and it's carbs and some, potassium and other stuff like that. And then the 3 eggs, I'll show you. I just don't want to dump these, but yeah, 3 eggs just like that. So yeah, that's my breakfast, and I drink a glass of water, and right after I'll have coffee, but I drink that after. So let's see, I'm going to get the first bite here. Crap, I forgot a spoon. All right, this is my favorite thing, first thing in the morning, is my oatmeal. Oh my gosh. I just feel like the nutrients and the sugars just like coursing through my veins. Oops. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna devour this food, and then I will hit you back when I'm drinking my coffee. All right, I just finished all that food. Literally took me probably about 30 seconds. No, I was kidding, but like a minute. No, probably 5 minutes. I'm starving in the morning. All right, the next thing I have, trying to turn this so I don't spill it, is a coffee. I'm not gonna, I don't know if you guys can see it's steaming right now, but it's Peet's coffee with skim milk, because coffee has 0 calories, and skim milk has a few, so a little bit of protein and not too many calories, but gets me going. And then I got to train some people, and then I'll be working out later, so you guys get to see that, and then the rest of my meals today. And yeah. Also, if any of you guys need a meal plan or a workout routine, I'll leave my email and my phone number below, and also you can go to my website and submit a form. And if you want me to help you design your own daily routine of, diet and workout. So, yeah. All right, but for now, let's get that first sip of coffee. Oh, yeah. Comment below if you love coffee. Just say coffee. That's all. So I'm actually at work right now, between a couple clients, and I have my whole lunchbox full of food here. First thing I'm going to be eating is my salad that I made at home. Ugh. It's got a little tuna in there. It's got a little ham in there. Mixed greens. What are they called? Well, tomatoes, carrots, and then celery. So yeah, that's the first thing. A lot of protein and fiber and, vitamins from the salad. Right after that, I'm going to have 3 organic rice cakes with peanut butter, some cinnamon, honey, and what are they called? Granola. So, and you also always have to have a crispy boy, I really don't understand why people have such a hard time eating healthy. It's like, this is delicious. Gotta see if Psyduck wants a bite. No, this is for me. I need to look like this guy. All right, I just finished that salad, and now I'm going to start with the rice cakes. These are like my favorite part of my lunch. All right, I just got done training some clients. So now time for my next little snacky snack out of the magic lunchbox. I already ate my salad and my rice cakes. That was about 2 hours ago. I had to train 2 more clients. I actually trained a client at home this morning, and then one at 10:30, and then 11:30 I had that food, and then, 2 more clients. And now I'm having my pre-workout snack, which is a coffee. Trust me, it's a coffee in here. Yeah. And then, what do you guess? What do you think? What do you think I'm having? No, but so the coffee obviously has caffeine. It took me like 4 times to say that line just now because I couldn't remember what caffeine was. And then I'm having an apple that I cut up already. This gives me some, quick sugars so that like it's not just caffeine and then I'm just like get a crash. This is like a bunch of quick sugars. Yeah, it has some fiber, but I'm not gonna poop my pants, I don't think. So, and the other thing is like this is kind of bro sciencey, but I'm like, yeah, they say that like 1 apple has the same amount of energy you get from a coffee, and it's like, well, how about checkmate, buddy? So now I'm just gonna have both of these, and then I'll work out. I'll probably film some of my workout. I don't know if I'll talk during it, but I might just do a little cool montage, and then I will show you what I'm having after my workout. But legitimately, I have this every day, like especially on work days. I would say the one day I don't have this is Sundays, all this food, because that's the only day I have off and I'm home with my wife. So we'll go out and get Pressed Cafe and like, oh no, I'll get a big salad. And then I might get like a, Starbucks drink, but the Starbucks drink I'll get, just drip coffee, which is 0 calories, and skim milk and Splenda, because Splenda has 0 calories. And I know, oh no, Splenda could inflame, blah, 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 but shut up, nerd. No, I'm just kidding. But it's like, I would much rather have that than sugar, especially if I'm not having constantly. Like Splenda once in a while is not going to inflame your body. What's going to inflame your body is if you're having synthetic sweeteners all the time, which I'm not. So yeah, that Starbucks usually comes out to like maybe 15, 20 calories. But anyways, that's Sunday. Today's Saturday, so I'm doing my normal eating. But this is 6 days out of the week, guaranteed. But I don't know why I'm holding this so much. But let's start with the taste test of the coffee. Oh yeah. But the other thing is, in my coffee, I just have skim milk as well, so it's like it is calories, but there's like barely any calories. The other thing is, if you're curious of what kind of coffee I drink, and I'm a coffee connoisseur, this is Peet's. I've tried so many things. So there's a Peet's coffee. There was coffee one time me and my wife got. It was Maxwell House. We got it right like a random time I bought coffee. And I'm like, oh, my parents always used to get Maxwell House. It's probably good. I thought it was Folgers, but regardless, doesn't matter. We were making it for a couple days, and I'm just like, I'm so into my routine that I'll just like drink it and say whatever. But then my wife had one morning because I was home and I made her a coffee and whatever. And she goes, something's wrong with the water or something. And I'm like, I drank it. I'm like, no, nothing's wrong with the water. And then she's like, we came to the conclusion, like, Folgers taste like shit. So we ended up getting Peet's. And Peet's is really good. We tried Peet's Costa Rica, which is this one. Then we tried Peet's Bang Bang or Big Bang or something like that. That one's not as good. So if you were going to get, my top tier coffee would be Peet's Costa Rica. I just bought Peet's Domingo something, and I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully it's good, but this stuff is good. All right, next for the apple, which is I think it's a Golden Delicious. I'm in my Golden Delicious era right now. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, got the cheek tingles. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. Probably watch some Alex Eubank or some motivational business guy / fitness stuff, maybe Alex Hormozy, when they get into my workout. I'll keep you posted. All right, so I always start my workouts with a half-mile run on the treadmill here, unless it's the summer and I can go outside. Get that started, get my Garmin watch going, and then we're off to the races. So after this, I'll do, all my strength training. But this is just the initial warm-up, and we're getting stuff rolling. Oh, you're still there? All right, well, you can just watch. All right, the run's done. Now I'm going to get into the normal part of the workout, starting with front squats. And I'll probably just make this a montage, so I might talk a couple more times, but I'm going to just put some music on and vibe out. I'm switching it to back squats because I got this mic on that I'm going to use sometimes and I don't want to scratch it. So back squats.
Got the multicolored diamonds, yeah, they shine just like a rainbow. If you're just shining, bro, you get what you paid for. Rock so heavy, if you hold them, then it's painful. Look, no, never, I ain't looking at the label. No price tag, finna bust out my bag. I'ma lay out a stack, that's the truth, no fake.
All right, that's my first round of stuff. I did everything, all those workouts. I did 4 times through for sets of 8 on everything. These squats I haven't gone really heavy on because I got a knee surgery and like a year ago, and it's still kind of bothering me. I tore my meniscus, so I'm kind of trying to go light on these a little bit, but I'm gonna go probably a 5th round on the squats and put it to at least 135 so I don't look like a little baby. But it's gonna be my last set here.
Got that mo going crazy. The way we be spending, it's like we get shit for free. No baby, but I guess that's just how it seems.
Next workout is underhand grip lat pull downs with this mag grip attachment like this. So.
Buy a castle, I like luxury. Yeah, this life's so fun. Crying with a smile, stacking money till I'm done. Baby, I want kids in a fortress. Ooh, baby, stacking money, make a fortune. Damn, baby, hey, you drop dead gorgeous. Table started, una no noche. You hottie, that body, I want you on top of me. You got me, I want you to know that I need you forever. Girl, I never wanna let you go. No, never. Girl, love's worth more than solid gold. Ooh, baby, you keep me dreaming about all the things I wanna do. Ooh, baby, you got me cheesing. Yeah, I'm smiling, girl, from ear to ear. Got the multicolored diamonds, yeah, they shine just like a rainbow. If you're just shining, bro, you get what you paid for. Rock so heavy, if you hold them, then it's painful. Look, no, never, I ain't looking at the label. No price tag, finna bust out my bag. I'ma lay out a stack, that's the truth, no fake. I don't fuss about it, money tall like mountains. Sunny days, no clouds, I searched within and found me. I've been up so happy, I've been spending cash and it's got me laughing. Oh, I don't mean to be.
Now, this is for research purposes only, and this is for people to understand that if you eat healthy, it's gonna help, and you're gonna look like this.
Got me all in my bag, I'm spending. Stacking cash, rubber bands, never ending.
Yeah, so again, this is for people that are looking for a diet or anything like that. This is the diet I've been doing forever, and I'm about to have my protein, and then I'll show you the rest of my meals for the day, but this is right after a workout. Wah, 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 wah. But yeah, now I don't usually eat my meals on a bench press, but I figured I wanted to switch it up so I'm not just constantly in my office. But this is my yogurt, my after workout yogurt. It has peanut butter in there. It's just plain Greek yogurt. I put some oatmeal in there as well, some raisins, and honey. This is like delicious. I'm so hungry, my mouth is watering, but let's see. Oh yeah. This is so good. All right. That was an amazing workout. I got like a full body. I'm gonna finish this in my office off camera, and then I gotta clean up a little bit, and then I'll head home, and then I'll have a protein shake with my creatine mixed in. I got unflavored creatine recently, and I'm a little bit of a baby because I actually really like the lemonade instead, even though it has a little bit of a artificial sweetener in there. I guess I'll deal with that next time, but for now I'll mix it with my protein so that I don't have to taste plain creatine. But anyways, I'll see you when I get home. All right, I'm leaving the gym right now. I don't know how many of you live in New Hampshire, but I work out here. This is Natural Physique, but my company is called Fitness by Design Personal Training in Nashville, New Hampshire. But point is, it's been snowing so much here, so comment below, man. Is it snowy where you're at? Look at this, it's a winter wonderland out here. Also, I wanna say if you watch my videos or if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much, because I love making videos and I really want to, you know, be able to make a living off this. I make a living off of personal training and like making programs and stuff, which is really cool. But you know, I really like, you know, the entertainment aspect of it too. So I mean, if you could give this video a like, comment, and, you know, subscribe and share it, that'd be great. But that's all. All right. Let's rev those engines, folks. I'm heading home for that, well, to go home for the day because I've, you know, been here all day. But at the same time, I got to take my creatine, like I said, and I'll take that right when I get home. And I also have to make my dinner, which is like chicken, rice, and broccoli, because my wife is having a couple friends over tonight, and they're going to be having empanadas, and she uninvited me. No, I'm just kidding, but like they're going to be making that, and I'm like, you know what, I'm doing the day in the life of eating on a Saturday, which is nice, so I can make my own food, and because otherwise on a Saturday or Sunday I might have a few empanadas, but like I said, every day of the week, chicken, rice, and broccoli, baby, or, you know, whatever my wife makes me. But I don't know, it's a good life, and I'm happy to be here, man. It's like, I'm just like so grateful, like, that I have such a great life. I have, you know, all the money I need. I have a great business. I have an amazing wife. I have, you know, food on the table. I have the ability to, you know, make these videos and everything like that. And yeah, I don't know. It's just a good day. It's just a good day. It's snowy as hell out, but that's okay with me. Oh my gosh, it's such a winter wonderland out here. Hold on, I'm gonna flip this around. See, look at this winter wonderland. I'm facing the camera a weird way, so I apologize if this is hard to see, but it's so nice out. But anyways, see you later. All right, so I just got home. I'm gonna make my protein shake with the best shaker ever, with this Muscle Bob square pants, buff pants, it says. So we are going milk. I always start with the milk so that the protein and creatine mix well. Otherwise, if you go the other way, it all sticks to the bottom. So, all right, we got the 1 scoop of chocolate protein, and then the 1 scoop of creatine. If I can get this little scooper. There we go. 1 hefty scoop. Yuck. Oh my gosh, all over my hands. I'm gonna mix that up. Buff pants. Right, let's go. Dang, I feel stronger already. Vomiting on a sweater already, mom spaghetti. Also, if you guys want me to, I can link those products in the description. So I will. I don't know if you want me to, but I will. Anyways, I'll see you at dinner. I'm gonna have my last meal of the day, or one of the last meals, which is chicken, rice, and broccoli with some cottage cheese on top. And yeah. So good. I'm gonna eat this, and I don't know if I'm gonna have more food today, but we'll see. And honestly, like, chicken, rice, and broccoli is like a hack. Like, it's how you lose weight. It's how you look shredded, I promise you. I got some protein there, you got some carbs, and then, you know, cottage cheese, a little bit more protein, and then the iron and stuff from the broccoli. So good.